Thank you.
1, 2, 3, go. Happy birthday, Jane!
Happy birthday, Jane!
Happy birthday, Jane!
Go.
Happy birthday, Jane!
Kaway.
Happy birthday, Jane!
Oh, happy birthday, Jane!
Yun lang. Happy birthday, Jane.
Bakasan mo naman, di ba?
May na-boses ko, sorry naman, di ba? Yun, happy birthday. More birthdays to come. God bless you.
Hi, Jane! First of all, happy birthday. Advance happy birthday. At sana sa susunod na natin, magkakaroon pa rin tayo kahit na sa Mambriones, lalo na, di ba? So, sama-sama tayo. Kung babagsak man, sama-sama din. Pero ikaw, kaya mo yan. Huwag mong kaya mo yan. Huwag kang susuko. Kahit si Briones pa yan. Kaya yan. Yan na.
Happy birthday, Jane. Gusto mo extra income? PM mo lang ako. Bye. I love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Hi, Jane. Message. Message. Hello. Ingat palagi. Galit ka palagi. Stay happy. Stay nice and happy. And humble. Good luck, bless sa'yo lagi. Tapos, good luck. Sana lagi ka masaya. Good health. Tsaka, sana sabay pa rin tayong graduate. Tsaka, more blessings to come. Bye-bye! Love you, Jane! Hi, Jane! Hi, Jane! Happy birthday! Ayun. Wish you all the best. Sana sumaya ka. Ilang taon na ba siya? 18 ka na lalakahan na. So, ayun. Mabuti. Basta nito lang kami para sa'yo. Love you. Pag-ibig. Pag-ibig, wag mo na yan. Next time. Bye-bye na. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Jane! Ako muna, Jane. Thank you sa lahat kasi naging kaibigan kita kahit na medyo ngayon di na tayo masyadong nagkakasama. Pero kino-consider ko pa rin yung mga times na magkakasama tayo. I love you, Jane.
Go. I love you. Yan, Jane. Itin ka na. Kalilan na. So, yun. Happy birthday sa'yo. Saka sana hindi ka lumago. Alam ko naman na mabait ka. Saka, always stay the same lang. Jane, happy birthday. Masaya ako kasi nagigisa ka sa mga kaibigan ko. Tapos sana magka-try kayo dito. Tapos, basta, happy birthday. Salamat sa lahat-lahat. Ayun, sana maging mas close pa tayo. Bye-bye na.
Yan, hola! Yan, Jane! Birthday na birthday mo talaga ngayon. Happy birthday! Para talaga artista. Or, yung career mo sa show. Yan, joke lang. Alam mo, Jane, 18 na ba si Jane? Ayaw nga pala magiging 18 ka na, Jane. Dalaga-dalaga ka na. Alam mo lahat ng priorities mo sa buhay. Happy birthday sa'yo.
Yes, happy birthday. 18 ka na, so pwede mo na masagutin. Tapos, yun, stay pretty and nice and jolly and cute. And yun, overall ka naman basta
Nasa'yo na lahat. Nasa'yo na lahat. Ang kagandaan, katalinuhan, lahat. Tapos yung pauta. Yan, happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Jane!
Happy birthday, Jane! Kakasabihin ka lang,
birthday.
Eh, palaki ng paa!
Oy, wag ko wala utot ha. Patangkad tayo. Mamua, chup-chup.
Ay, galing ako pa mag-gitara. Birthday!
Oy, yung pa mo!
Tukan.
Pre, pwede mo magsabi ng I love you.
Jam, 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 jam.
Never have I fallen, never been this way. This love I can't control, I wish I can say. Cannot find this feeling with anyone, and I wish that our hearts will always be one. You're the lyrics in my songs, you're my inspiration all along. Special world only for you and me, this bond no one will ever see. One feeling I have found in you, it makes me wonder, how can I say I love you? Never have I fallen, never been this way. This love I can't control, I wish I can say. I've tried everything, is it really worth it? Time has gone so fast, why can't you see? I can be the jewel in your crown, in my love, surely you'll drown. Special world, only for you and me, this one no one will ever see. One feeling I have found in you, it makes me wonder, how can I say I love you? Heart, always one. I could never find this feeling in anyone. This world is full of mystery. How can I say I love you? It's a world only for you and me. This love no one will ever see. One feeling I have found in you, it makes me wonder, how can I say I love you? Some world only for you and me, this love no one will ever see. One feeling I have found in you, it makes me wonder, how can I say I love you?